In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can play Hamster Kombat on your phone. So Hamster Kombat is a new Web3 gaming project launched on the basis of the open network ecosystem inside the Telegram Messenger. So in order to play this game, first of all, what you want to do is you're going to go ahead and open Telegram Messenger app on your phone. Once you have done that, you're going to tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. And after that, you're just going to type in here for Hamster Kombat, and then you will be able to see here this Hamster Kombat bot on the top with a verified name. So you're going to tap on that. Once you have done that, you'll be able to see here play option at the lower left side of your screen. So you're just going to tap on that. Once you have done that, your game Hamster Kombat will be loaded up. As I told you before that this is a clicker game, so you're just going to tap on your screen again and again to gain the new coins. And by gaining these coins, you're going to play this game. There are also other ways to collect coins. For example, if you tap on earn option from the lower side of your screen, you'll get more options to claim some coins. Like as you can see here, you have daily reward. So you're going to tap on that, and as you can see here, for every day you have specific number of coins to claim. As we are on day 1, we're going to claim 500 coins, so just tap on claim. And as you can see here, we have collected our daily coins. If you scroll down more, you will be able to see here some more options, like if you join their Telegram channel, you get 5,000 coins. Similarly, if you follow their X account, you gain 5,000 more. So you can just tap on these tasks one by one to gain coins. Also, there's another great way to gain coins. If you see at the lower side of your screen, you will be able to see here friends option, so you're going to tap on that. And if you're using normal Telegram like me, you can just copy here your invite link. So if you send this invite link to any of your friends and they sign up using your invite link, you and him both will gain 5,000 coins. So in the same way, you can do multiple tasks and gain some coins in Hamster Kombat. You cannot withdraw these coins as real money right now, but probably in the second week of July, Hamster Kombat will announce their listing, which will allow you to withdraw your money from these virtual coins.